Welcome to another tutorial for CompuByte Analytical Reports. To start, we will click on the CompuByte innovative point of sale software icon. We insert the operator number 1 and the operator password, which is 1234. We will now go to cash sales by pressing the F4 menu, choosing cash sales, choosing the salesperson, inserting the PLU code, and now if you want to change the number of quantities as a new feature, you just click on the units column, you double click on the units column and you can put the quantity in. Then you end the document by pressing the N key. You choose the amount tendered, press the Enter key, and then you end the document and you've completed the sale. Now to get a report for this, we go to Reports, Transactional Stock Analysis Report, put the access code in, 1234, and then choose from which date to which date we want the report to be. So we're choosing from 01/09/2018 to 23/10/2018, and we can choose the companies that we want to do the report for as well. So click on the OK button and the database will load. You see, this is the month 01/09, so there's nothing in this month, so we're going to combine the analysis. Remember, combined analysis is important if you're doing more than 2 or 3 months. Combined analysis, and it combines analysis, and now all of the items are being displayed here. If we enlarge the analysis, we can see the item test 1 minus 1, we have extra small 5, small 27, etc. And then test 1 minus 3, we've got 3 in stock. This one we've got 174 in stock. Now if we want to get it into Excel and view the same report summarized into Excel, we click on Save Analysis. We put in a name for the report. We're going to call the report Report 1. Remember, when you're putting a name for the report, do not use spaces. Press the Save key. Please note the summarized CSV file has also been created, found in the directory PCSV, and you can click OK. It will ask you, do you want to open the file in Excel? You say yes, and now the file will be opened in Excel. There's the file in Excel. You can see it's got a summarized view. You can see sold, how much purchased, what profit, and what the stock value is. If you want to increase the column width here, we just go to this column here where you see the cross, we just move it or double click on it and you can see the column much more. If you want to see the values, you can see the values in the columns. If you want to add the columns, you just click at the bottom here and you can click at your sum button and you just press enter and it will summarize. It will give you a total of this particular column. That's using Excel. Some features of Excel, if you want to sort this particular grid from lowest to highest sales, so we can go to click on the choose the columns, then go to data, then go to sort, then sort by which column. We're going to sort by column D, and then we want to sort by column A, so you can add another level. That is if you want to sort by column A as well, and we're going to sort from largest to smallest. Now I just click on OK, and you see the columns are being sorted. You said OK, and there's your columns being sorted for you. largest to the smallest. Now I'm going to close this. It tells me, do you want to save it? I'm not going to save it. If you want to save it, you could save it. Do you want to open this file with Notepad? I don't want to open the file with Notepad. Now I'm going to close this, and we'll get one more report, which is my view stock, view sales of the item that I just did. I go to main menu, and I can go to sales analysis, or I can go to view sales, multiple terminals by date, that you can see by multiple terminals. So I say view sales stock multiple terminals by date. I put my access code in there. I choose from which terminal, from which date to which date I want the report. I choose OK. And it shows me the report. Now if I want to go to view totals, which will only give me the totals instead of giving it to me vertically, it can give it to me in horizontal columns. So you've got it now in horizontal columns. You did 1035 sales, and you got a total of 1035. Now sometimes you can just click the print grid and print this grid, but it won't fit into one page neatly. So you want to save this file into Excel, so you can go to Save Analysis. Put the name of the file, report 2, save it. Open it in Excel. Do you want to open this file in Excel? You say yes, and the file will be open for you in Excel. Here's the file open to you in Excel. You want to increase the column width here to see the date correctly. You can increase it, and you can see the date, and you can see your columns and your totals. Close it, and you can save it if you want to. Don't save, close it. Now another nice report you can do is your top sales report. So you go to reports, and you go to top sales and purchase report. Put your access code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. You choose from which day to which day you want your top sales. You can choose which companies you want, and you can click OK. And then you want sales for all your listed items. You click all. For all the selected items, you click all. And you want to sort by units sold. That's fine. Or you can sort it by profit or sales value. You can choose which way you want to sort it, and you want to show all of them. So you show all. OK. And now the grid is loaded. I'm going to click on Combine Analysis. Remember, Combine Analysis will combine all the months from 0109 to 30th 09. And there's all my sales. I enlarge analysis, and I can see my totals. And I can see top sales. Top sales test -13 was 10. Test serial was 4. All invoices. Test was 2. Size small was 2, size 39 was 2, and that's how you see all your top sales. Analysis reduce, and I close it. Also other reports, you can go to main menu, sales analysis, detailed analysis or report generator. Let's go to detailed analysis. Put the access code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Choose the date that you want the detailed report for. You choose OK. Gives you a detailed report. Now you see that it loads the detailed report, and it's busy loading the crystal report. So I click OK, and I can say View Crystal Report. View Crystal Report. OK. And now I can see my transaction report. What items are sold. That was the item that I just rung up. Total cost for the document, total value for the document, and I go down, and I can basically click down here, and I can go to cash as well, and I can choose the cash document as well. Now I can choose different pages that there is. I can choose page 2. We can see the profit of each item, and that's the value of each item. Thanks for watching this video, and to watch any more videos from CompuByte, just search for CompuByte tutorials.